G'day guys, and welcome to my first ever video here on my YouTube channel. So I'm a software engineer. I've been doing software for about 15 years now, but I have a background in .NET, and basically I've been doing that for most of my career. I've also done a little bit of Node and JavaScript. However, I've never learnt Rust. So what I thought I'd do is I would learn it and then teach it back to you guys. So basically my first video is going to be how to install Rust if you're using Linux and Ubuntu. So I'm just going to jump straight into it. So basically, it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is go to the rustlane.org website, and they've got a main install link here, and then it comes up with basically how to do it with one command, which is this curl command. So all I'm going to do is just copy this, come over to my terminal, and I'm just going to paste it. And this is going to run a curl command that will actually install Rust. So there it goes. It's now starting, and it's going to ask me whether I want to proceed with the installation. I'm going to say yes by typing 1 and pressing return. And now it's going through downloading and installing. So it should be done in a couple of seconds, but if not, we'll just skip ahead. And we are done. So now it's telling me I may restart the current shell, and basically it'll reload the path variables. So it's added a few environmental variables to the path. And so what I'm going to do is, rather than close this, I'm currently in the folder that I created, which is my Rust folder. I'm just going to open up Visual Studio Code. And now I'm going to just say I trust this. And I'm going to open up the terminal in here. In fact, I might just put that over to the left like so. And I'm going to open up a terminal. And at the very bottom, I'm now going to create a folder. So I'm just going to call it Hello World, I believe. Like so. I'm going to cd into that folder. And now I'm going to create a file just called main.rs. So Rust files use the rs extension. And I'm now going to just quickly do that. And what that will do now is, up here in this Hello World folder I just got, they've got a main.rs file. I'm now going to just quickly add a simple Hello World script for Rust just to test this out. So I come down here into the first part of the documentation, copy this main function, paste that in, save, and then just to test it, I'm just going to quickly close down that side panel, come back down to my terminal, and I'm going to run the command line for Rust to compile, which is rustc, so Rust compiler essentially. And then I'm going to type main.rs because that's our main file. And what that's going to do is that's now going to compile that Rust file. And if I look over here in the Explorer, you'll see there's this main file that's now been created. Or if you want to see it via the terminal, you can just go ls, and you'll see this new main application's been created. And then just to quickly test it, I just have to run it like it's a normal executable file, right? So just type main like that, and there you go. We can see that we've got Hello World printed out. So that was a very simple video, but that is how you can install and quickly test that Rust is working on an Ubuntu machine. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.